Hey everyone, welcome to the club. So today we are talking about the big news that SoFi just announced that they will be coming or relaunching the crypto program, or where members can trade in crypto on an ongoing basis, and they are slowly launching the program starting today. So Anthony Noto was on CNBC and they were talking about how SoFi has been really trying to do the all one-stop kind of shop where members can do everything from checking account to mortgages to student loans to credit cards to now crypto. They had crypto, but they stopped because of the bank charter and now they're relaunching. So I thought it'll be a great idea to kind of dig a little bit deeper on what it means for us investors, what it means for the earnings for SoFi, and what it means for the crypto world. This is bigger than what I initially thought. So let's take a quick look. I'm going to share my screen and let's take a deep dive into what this news means for SoFi. So SoFi Bank becomes the first and only national chartered bank to launch crypto trading for consumers. Again, this is huge because so far, none of the traditional banks have really offered crypto trading actively, and SoFi becomes the first and only national chartered bank. This opens door for many other banks to come basically and offer this service to their members. Along with that, there were some very key points that I would like to bring your attention to. Okay, SoFi Crypto members or SoFi Crypto gives members a platform with bank grade stability and security. As we know, National Chartered Bank has to go with many, I would say, checks and balances before they can offer something like this. Member can buy, sell, and hold crypto with confidence, knowing their assets are on a platform built with institutional level security, rigorous compliance standards, and provide safety and soundness. So one of the things that I noticed were a lot of big whales in crypto. Not me, I still use Coinbase for my crypto, but a lot of big whales of crypto, they actually hold crypto in their wallets, in their physical wallets. They do not like to put their Bitcoins or their Ethereums out in public because they have a fear that people can steal their data, people can take their data. Some of us are still very paranoid about stuff like that. I'm not one of those. I trust Coinbase. It's been around for a while, and that's why I hold my crypto over there. But this will help because now we are talking about institutional level security coming to SoFi, which is like a bank. A single integrated app. SoFi members can instantly buy crypto assets with money sitting in their award-winning SoFi Money and Checking and Savings account, FDIC insured, without moving the money to a new account. Now, this was very interesting. So hear me out. What happened is when I moved the money to Coinbase, let's say to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything like that, the money just sits there until I find a perfect time to buy. Sometimes I buy on a regular basis. Sometimes when I'm buying a bigger purchase, I wait for a day when it's really red, Bitcoin is down, and money is just sitting there. It's not making me any interest. I'm not gaining anything from that money sitting over there. It's not the case. You can still maintain your regular checking and saving account. You can still do all your banking in the bank account. And then whenever you have the funds available, whenever you see a big drop in Bitcoin, you can go ahead and buy Bitcoin or Ethereum directly from your savings or money saving or savings account, checking or savings account without moving the money to a new account. So this is very good news. And this is interesting as well because now they are a bank. So of course they can offer something like that. They can buy crypto the moment they are ready, keep their cash earning interest in a bank when they're not. With all their financial connected in one app, members can manage crypto alongside their everyday banking, borrowing, and investing with no friction or delays. Interesting, exciting, and I think there are much more cooking in the back end than what you see over here in these few statements. I have a different video coming up where I'm doing a deep dive on SoFi again, where I'm seeing what's cooking behind the scenes, where can we see the future of SoFi, and why do we say this stock is worth $50 or $60 or $100? It's not the numbers out of the air. There could be some basis for it. Okay, education and stability. One reason many people haven't bought crypto yet is that they feel that they don't understand it well enough. That's exactly what I said in my last video, the 3 biggest mistakes that I made in my investing career. I'm going to link that video towards the end of this video. That's what I said. Many people who talks about crypto, they don't really have a clue of what's going on in crypto. They do not. They think that they do. They know about what's going on in crypto, but they do not. The main reason why many people invest in crypto is because the news, is because the FOMO, it's because the articles, Bitcoin hitting new highs, Bitcoin hitting 100,000, Bitcoin would be the next, and the next step would be $1 million. I was reading a article that Kathy would said that the Bitcoin, she made her price prediction a little lower or brought down the price prediction. She said it's going to be $1.2 million instead of 1.4 or 1.3 she had it before. Now, see where the Bitcoin is sitting right now, right? And then Bitcoin could be $1.2 million. Holy shit. I mean, that's huge, right? For the Bitcoin price. That's why people buy it. So if I were to tell you that Bitcoin is going to be $1.2 million, you'll be like, you know what? I'm just going to put $1,000 in Bitcoin because that $1,000 or 10x could be 10,000. Sure, why not? So these are the things that, or these are that's the reason why many people invest in crypto. Nobody really understands crypto very well, except very few people that I have met. I have met one or two people personally, those who have been mining crypto coins for a very, very long time. They understand crypto. They try to make me understand. I'm like, you know what? No, I'm good with my stocks. I'm good with my SOFI, with my Tesla. But of course, because I know it's the digital asset, because I know where the people are moving, people are buying, I'm buying too. I'm one of them where I invest a little bit every part of or every month of my income goes in a little bit of these cryptocurrencies, mainly Bitcoin. Okay. Along with that, SoFi Crypto makes it easy to get started in-app education, simple step-by-step guidance, and seamless money movement. SoFi seeks to help members make informed decisions about how crypto fits in their financial lives and risk tolerance. This is really interesting. Crypto and other digital assets are not bank deposits, not insured by FDIC or SIPC. Again, now crypto and other digital assets are not bank deposits. So don't think that if you are holding crypto, it's FDIC insured. It says this clearly here, crypto and other digital assets are not bank deposit and they're not FDIC insured. And the value of them can go up or down, sometimes losing all their value. Some coins have gone to zero. Okay, so this is about big news about crypto, what SoFi is doing. Now take a look at this. SoFi is also developing a US dollar stablecoin as a plan and has plans to integrate crypto further into their lending and payment products. Now, where I think that SoFi is really going to nail it on the head, as they say, is right here. When they are going to basically merge all these together with their leading and payment products. I think that this is going to be huge for a company like SoFi, which is so forward looking, which is so integrated into making a one stop shop or making a one stop app. So I think this is an exciting news for investors. I think this is a great news for the company, for their revenue, for their members, for overall service that they're providing to the people. But can it justify a $50 price target for the stock? Can it justify the $100 price target for the stock? Not so early, and I really hope not, because we need to see the value generated before we jump on the stock price prediction or before we jump on the stock price. Where SoFi is sitting right now at $30, $31, it's a very sweet spot. It's a very good place for SoFi to be. If it can just maintain this for the next 6 months, I think then we can see the next surge up when the earnings will start to come in from these crypto plays and also level one option trading. I'm in the deep dive that I'm going to be doing soon on SoFi. You will see that. I'm actually breaking down all the different revenue streams that SoFi is going to come up with. So subscribe, like, share, and make sure that you watch the 3 mistake video that I posted last time that I'm going to post it up here. And also keep in mind that next time when I launch or basically give out a SoFi video, it's going to have all the details that the SoFi did in past, the SoFi did it in the last 2 years, and where do I see SoFi going in the next 3 to 5 years. That's going to be a really exciting video. I'm spending some sweet little time on it and basically reading some articles, gathering some information so I can give you a bullet point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of steps where I see how SoFi is going to really integrate everything that they're building into this one beautiful app and that can return what we investors hope for, a blockbuster earning and a blockbuster future for all the investors. Hope you liked today's video. For any comments, any shares, any kind of things that you want to bring to my attention, please comment in the comments below. Let me know. Love chatting with all of you. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.
Okay, let's go.